So yeah, it's a four-man. Yeah, it's a four-man party basically for this. There is normal and hard difficulty as well. The hard is segmented into there is three item level requirement for hard. But yeah, there we go. Okay, fail all the hones. Well, I mean, like a lot of people fail the hones and everything. Yeah, sure, but the point is basically like we have things to work on right now. That's why we're taking a hiatus on like a monkey server. Doesn't even have Baltan yet. Yeah. Yep. All right. Yeah, this is the trailer for it right now. Yeah, they'll be always be behind, but yeah.
먼 옛날 우리 라제니스는
Nice EU, like a
아크를
bottom.
훔친
They
대가로
wouldn't know if it's chaos.
날개를
I would know.
잃고 추락했습니다. 이후
It's Boobus
오랫동안
time, man. Boobus time.
우리는 운명의 끝을
No subtitles.
기다리고
I mean,
있었죠.
subtitles will be in Korean. What were you expecting, Jigsta? I lost.
결국 당신도
Yeah, look at her, man.
그곳으로
Might have been a KR player.
향하는군요.
And a translator. Basically, Beatrice was talking about the lore. So yeah, before the time, you know,
루페온께서는
Lupeon like
영원히 평화로운 이곳에서 살수
Lupeon the
있도록
god basically
허락해
likes
주십시오.
the race, right? What's the name? The Lazanis.
그것은
But the Lazanis
라제니스를
betrayed like
위한 신의
Lupeon
보살핌이자
by using the arc and everything.
배려였어.
All of like the lore basically.
그때부터 우리는 이곳에서 세상이 변하는 모습을
Because I mean,
지켜보았지.
mom. Well, they're the same race. So yeah. Kim, then welcome.
어서 와. 저곳이 바로 라제니스의
Yeah.
고향.
Now they're going to like the what's the name? The hometown of like Lazanis race, which is Elgasia. That's what it's called. Elgasia update.
라제니스의 검들은 빛의 신탁을 보아라. 이것이 루페온께서
So this would be the new raid hub seems like. This is supposed to be Kayangel. We saw this from like about like almost like 7 years ago already.
빛의 허락 없이는 접근할 수 없는 성스러운 공간이죠.
That structure reminds me of Diablo 3, you know. Whatever the name of the angels dwelling.
엘가시아를
I forgot.
지키기 위해선 카양겔로 가야 해.
Now this is tier 3 still. So yeah. Just a new continent, new story, new content.
이곳은 신이 거닐던
Patch note? There is no patch note per se right now. No. But we have like a comment, like a community post basically by the CM. So yeah. If these boss are weak from the with dark, you use the dark set, the dark legion card set. Main city Crystarium? Really? Doesn't remember Crystarium for me, I guess.
아크라샤를 지키기 위해
Oh, the master of the BTR. Go to my YouTube. It's right there. Check the description.
이제 끝이 다가왔으니
If I'm not mistaken, that like flying thing, we're even fighting on top of it. So yeah.
이유를 증명할 수 있다면 꿈꾸지 않는 자들의 낙원으로 오거라.
Right, Elgasia. So that's Elgasia right there. And that's the update. New Esther skill? No, it's just like Nina. What do you mean? So yeah, that's trailer, and that's how you make a trailer, boys. This is the community post basically, by like by the CM. So yeah, new paladin skill. That's not a paladin skill. No, that's like one of the NPC, because it holds a shield, but it's not a gun lancer. It's like let me move music right here. Okay. 4 days. 4 days. Basically next reset is what it said then. So yeah. Tara doesn't like geometry. Have some geometry stuff again. You're already molding from Avril shit, Tara. But yeah. Wait, it's like the CM post right here. I can translate it with Google Translate, I guess, for you guys to read it. But you know how like Brazil secret and sex ends up, right? So this might not be true right here. But yeah. Harder than Avril PCs. Google Translate? Sure. If you guys want sex, then yeah, go ahead. Getting all your alts Elgasia ready. 4 character probably for Elgasia. Yeah. 4 character like will be ready for Elgasia. Item level will be varied, but they will be able to do Elgasia. So yeah. Brazil secret. Yeah, 4. Yeah, 4 basically. I have like one more, but then like I don't know if I wanna run that one. So yeah, we'll see. I still have PTSD. How long will level 10 gem last me? Probably up until like to be honest, Abril normal can be done with like level 7. Obviously the higher the better, of course, but yeah. Force counters, hell yeah, of course, you know it, man. So yeah, this is like the CM, the community manager right here. Proper manager, but yeah. So yeah, adventurers who have gone through, this is the English right there, so I'll just read the English here. Long and long journey to find the Ark, remember the voice of the Guardian, the Paradise Gate basically. So that's Arcadia, you guys' favorite sea dungeon. So yeah, many years Arcadia has remained faithful, defending the gates of paradise right there. So yeah, so what like the gates of paradise right there, the reason why it's called the gates of paradise is because you enter Elgasia through the sea dungeon right there. Shit, does that mean we have to do it again? Fuck, dude. Gonna fail again. Elgasia story 4 times. Shit, I just realized I have to do it 4 times. You're right, actually, yeah. No reward under 100% completion. That is a huge pack. You might have not finished everything, Bjorn. So yeah. Poseidon's a girl. Poseidon's a girl. Does it even say like Poseidon's a girl? I don't know. No pronouns basically. So yeah. Last arc. So yeah, Elgasia, the hometown of Beatrice Ninaf, the Lazanis, and the race that obeys the will of the light, which is Lupeon. There is, or you guys call it as Regulus. I forgot, like you guys have a different name. But yeah, says her role. It might be like just like translate. So yeah, he didn't like specify male female as far as I know. But yeah. Okay, say that for the past 500 years having completely cut off with contact with the earth, what does it look like? Everyone agrees to call Elgasia a paradise. Paradise. Don't have good memories of paradise. Like to introduce Elgasia, continent sky that no one on earth has been able to step on for a long time right there. Yeah, Elgasia, continent of brilliant light. Okay. Look up to the sky for a moment. Somewhere in the vast sky, Akrasia, an invisible but mysterious island, is floating. There is Elgasia, continent of brilliant light that Lupeon Regulus created himself. In the meantime, travel between continent of Arcasia, you had to go through seas by boat, but as Elgasia is in the sky, it can only be reached in a special way. That's why you ride Albion right there. Yeah, Albion, the new beast you met in Punica, will help adventurers go back and forth between Elgasia at any time. So yeah, so here is the thing, right? In order to proceed with the adventure in Elgasia, you must first collect all 6 arcs hidden in Akrasia. Oh shit! I skipped Shoeshire. That means I have to do Shoeshire. Damn it, dude! Okay, I'm doing that then, I guess. I skipped Shoeshire on one of my own. And there is an arc over there. If you skip like Rohandel and Phaeton, you have to go over there as well. So yeah. Well, man. See, here is the thing, right? I knew like at some point this will play a part. At some point this will play a part, but yeah. As for the dungeon soul, but the players, you don't get me started. The players is what makes it hard, yeah. But yeah, 10 hours of story. Nah, I just need to do the Shoeshire one. But yeah, collect all 6 arc basically. That's when it starts to play right there, and then like achieve item level 1460. So 1460. Most people here in Korea will be able to do it already. So yeah, real content awaits you. Okay, here is the thing, right? You know, when Astalgia was released, that is Abril shit by the way, you get a free power pass. So there is a good chance that we might get it as well on Elgasia. It's to like, you know, to get people to play again, because this is like new content, right? So yeah. Don't we have 7 already? No, we have 6. So yeah. Now, after completing the quest, opening paradise, the Island Wisdom added in 330. That's like the thing. What's the name? The prerequisite quest. You guys don't have it. I've done it already. Then you can talk to the NPC. And this is the story. This is the thing right here. Okay, it's the same thing right here. Alien Org is the name of the. What's the name? Name of the city. The name of the city is Arian's Org. So yeah. Power pass or jumping pass? I would say like a jumping pass. Yeah, a free power pass to 1460. No. It's good. I don't know how it is like Aporo. But when like Astalgia was released, we get a Hyper Express up to 1445? Or was it 1415? I think it's 1415, but yeah. But basically it's an alt if you're already above that. So yeah. JK, actually there are 8 arcs. I don't know, man. But yeah, after arriving Elgasia, and yeah, we go to the city in Arian's Orb. If you want to go back to Akrasia, you basically talk to Albion again. So yeah, and then you can on the ground you can move to Elgasia by playing the song. So you'll get a song to go to what's the name? Elgasia. I've read all of this already, but it's on Korean. So yeah, Google Translation is somehow clear. Somehow, yeah. I've read this already, so I'm comparing it right now. I take either, yep, I would take any as well. Adventurers who will travel to and from Elgasia and other continents, please remember. For Elgasia, many Rajanis welcomed Ninaf who came back to her hometown, and the first time Founders was very excited. Okay. Translation. It's because they lost the count of how many arc exists, yeah. Among them, colleague who welcomed Ninaf found out Ninaf was actually Sword of Lazanet. So Ninaf's title in Elgasia is the Sword of Lazanet, which basically like is the strongest warrior in Lazanet. Doesn't look that strong though. Yeah, Sword of Lazanet refers to the strongest warrior who protect Elgasia. Strongest warrior among the first race Lazanet created by Procyon. Yeah, thanks to Ninaf, I was able to say hello to other Razanis sword, including Azakiel and Lauriel. So there is multiple swords. She missed every time. Yeah, she kinda sucks as an Esther, to be honest. So cause she have like 0-some range where she doesn't hit for some reason. But yeah, she's strong when she's on top of me. That's not her. That's just you being weak. That's you, man. Sorry, dude. Weak in bed, sad. So yeah, LM still good in PvP? Yeah, still good. Yeah, Arian's Orb right here. That's a city right here. Yeah, this structure reminds me of like, I forgot what it is. The name of where the angels dwell in Diablo 3. I don't remember, basically. Bottom, yeah. Yeah, that's his bottom, that's why right there. Confirm bottom. Arian Orb, City of Elgasia, where all the philosophy, beliefs, and atonement of Lajanis are gathered here. Like other cities in the continent, you can use function of Lost cities in Arian's Orb. And the Great Hall of Fame and the Library of Honor also located in Arian's Orb. In Elgasia, called Paradise, no one is forced to work. No one cares about food. All the continent in Earth was built that was operated by only the mysterious power of Lazanis. Yeah, this reminds me of like Erin, the Paradise in like Celtic mythology. Are Lazanis second this nuts Ertan man get shit on man. It's shit, bro. Got my first way card after 600 hours. Congrats, man. Change to around AoE on the round as she shoots down. Okay. Daishin John? What? Okay. Yeah, it's the place where the light of God, Lupeon, and 7 gods are enshrined. Okay. And in order to forgiven for the sin of coveting Ark, Razanis gathers on the Great Temple, always repents and prays constantly. That is why inside the Daishin John has a more reverent and serious atmosphere than anywhere else in the Arian's Orb. And the huge Library of Honor, that's the right side, where the history of Lazarus had an enormous collection of books that could not be read for a lifetime. For adventurers who love books, there is nothing more enjoyable. So there should be like a lot of like lore bombs over here. Might spend my time here then, because I did spend a lot of time in Island of Wisdom, looking at the lore beforehand. So yeah. Oh, this is Saint's job actually. Saint Lore Arc Part 3 or something like that. Where it is right here. Saint Lore Arc. Need Solace right there. Yeah, Giga Saint here. Lore Arc Saint right here. You know. Saint, please tell me everything about the game. Sounds so painful. Doing Solace run. If you wanna do it, yeah. But I mean like it's up to you if you want to. If not, then you guys just RNG it. It's just a matter of time until you get it anyway. Looking around Arena Orb, I was invited to the house special person. When I came home like this, I felt a little closer to that person. Seems to warm my heart even more in a small but sunny room. After thoroughly examining the Arian's Orb, I headed to another area of Elgasia. So this is a different area right here. So Elgasia, so basically with Elgasia, it's gonna be a continent, and there's gonna be like a lot of like areas. Unlike Southbound. Southbound only have 2 areas, right? Belion Ruins and Candaria. But this one is have multiple, I guess. It's a proper continent. 3 universes ahead of us. Destera Garden. Beautiful view, said to be the land of blessings of the seven gods. Flower garden of Aldebaran. Where various flowers bloom. And the land of Arcturus, where jewels bloom. Up to Prussian skies road full of nostalgic flowers extend. This place with its unique and differentiated vegetation is different from Arcesia. Yep, there we have it. Eastern end of Estera Garden, there is a temple of truth where the process of Lupeon, god of light, come down. There is all lore right here. Always three prophets saying there. And there is one of the different voice of the gods. Oracles say to be God that guides the lives of all Lazanis to the light. Mount Philenisos. What the fuck? Okay. Mount Philenisos. Yeah. I don't know. This is just the area right here, I guess. Oh, it's the only way to Kayangel, the Sanctuary of Light. This is the Abyss Dungeon. Kayangel is the Abyss Dungeon. We know the name is Kayangel. We don't know anything else about it. But basically, the Abyss Dungeon is Kayangel. So, yeah. So, visiting the mountain requires permission from the Sword of Lazanith. That's Ninaf and the other two guys. Forgot the name already. Entire mountain is full of garrison guarding the sanctuary. As long as the Philenisos gate and the Lazanith garrison guarded, they will not even dare to break in. So yeah, and that's Kayangel right here. So yeah, can we get for Religir one file comes? You can, but you can't get a full proper set. You can get a mixed set basically. Mima, welcome to. Okay, next one then. Kayangel, this one closest to the light, the last place that the gods stayed. Kayangel is a place that you can't easily visit, as it is a place that you made yourself with the power of Lupeon, Regulus. However, with enough, you will be able to reach Kayangel. Up to this point, I've entered Elgasia, the continent of Lazanis. In fact, strange things were happening in Elgasia, which I thought was only beautiful and quiet. Okay, what will Nina face in her beloved hometown, Elgasia? What would future look like for Kadan, who led us to paradise? I'm still curious on like what's Kadan's purpose right now. Because Kadan even said that like, you know, don't trust Lazanis, right? But we're going to Elgasia. So yeah, how do I heal? Sacred protection skill and class engraving on your identity. However, in this later, I would like to highlight a little bit of my journey in Elgasia for the pleasure of adventurers. Adventurers who are the heirs of fate will become the main characters. I hope you will witness the fate of Elgasia and all adventurers. Okay, now we're getting to the real content right here. Let's go. So it's just one, so it's just don't trust Beatrice. Well, we don't know that, okay? What if suddenly all the Lazanith backstabs you? We don't know that. They did advertise Elgasia as like, you know, as a turning point in the story. So, yep, there we have it, boys. But yeah, Abyss Dungeon Kayangel. Ditch already, we ditch. Yeah, after completing Elgasia's adventure on all of my alts, fuck it. You can challenge the Abyss Dungeon Kayangel. Yeah, face the Guardians of Light in Nelasia, the Gate of Heaven. Nelasia, what's the name? This is actually the name of your like your warlord skill, your gunlancer skill, this shield. And Cradle of Eternal Light. Okay. Dungeons, Abyss Dungeon Kayangel, yeah, with a party. So yeah, it's a 4-man. Yeah, it's a 4-man party basically. For this, there is normal and hard difficulty as well. The hard is segmented into there is three item level requirement for hard. But yeah. Originally gives shield and we'll take the tripod then. Read the tripod man. Read the tripod. But yeah. Yeah, but this is the next content right here. Normal and hard difficulty right there. So yeah. The information of each difficulty. So yeah. Incorporate the world case, the world quest, the broken cage. That's basically the final quest on like Elgasia. So then you can enter the Kayangel, the Abyss Dungeon. Normal difficulty is 1475 or higher. So this, in Korean standard, basically if you play in Korea for a little bit already, you will be 1475 already. Because like we get like express like up to 1445 like last time. So yeah. So most people will be able to access like the normal difficulty. So you have access to Kayangel basically. You have access to like basically the new content. But yeah. Okay, in the case of hard difficulty, this is the different item level required right here. Hard 1520, 1560, 1580. Now I'm curious on how it would work though, because like there is 2 dungeon, 4 man for each dungeon, but then there is 3 hard difficulty. I would understand if there is like 2 different item level, but 3 different item level, I'm not sure how they would work with it. But yeah. Looks like he's weak to darkness, while in Elgasia it's basically about light, yeah. So yeah. Time to lay down Light of Salvation and swap over to Legion Commander set, yeah. Just better rewards for higher eye level? It depends on how it is. We'll talk about the reward later. So yeah, you do not earn gold from Abyss Dungeon Kayangel, but you can obtain new items, basically the materials and everything. So yeah, rising another 1 to 1475. Seems like I'll be doing that as well, Tara. But yeah, later. But it's later though. No gold? Yeah, no gold. No gold doesn't mean it's bad, Juxta. No gold means that this is more content for you to do. Because think of it this way. You have Abrel, you have Clown, you have like Vicus and Volton, right? That's your run right there. Then you have like more things to do. You have like Kayangel. You have like more content to do. If that makes sense. Slow down. I think it's good. Because if you earn gold from Elgasia, from like a Kayangel, that means you will lose 1 source gold. Simple as that, basically. So yeah, and then maybe like you lose like one of your Legion raid. I think like compared to like Abyss Dungeon, Legion raid is more fun, I think. So yeah. Didn't find the prerequisite. It's on main city or in I did it in Rohandel, Slay. So yeah. You need Tabula Rasa is the purple quest from after you finish Kadan. Finish Kadan quest, finish Southburn, there is a quest that ends with Tabula Rasa. Then after that you have this quest in like major city from like the bird, from like Ninaf's bird. So yeah. Lot of pain incoming. What percentage of players 1580 above level would you say right now in KR server? Not a lot, I guess. 1580 is really high. So yeah, 1580 is really high. I mean, we can check in Loawa, I guess. We can check in Loawa if we want to. But yeah. Yeah, we can check in Loawa if we want to, but I don't know. To be honest, like 1580 is not gonna be a lot. 1580 is really, really high. 1520, maybe there is like a decent amount. But yeah, Ninaf's bird. Is it reducing rate up material on armor? No. So yeah. But let's continue for now then, yeah. You may be wondering what the ability stone upgrade. So we get to upgrade our ability stone right now. So from your relic stone right now, you can upgrade it to ancient stone, and there is like 4 stages of it, each requiring different materials, which I would assume comes from like the Kayangel difficulty, you know, 1520, 1560, 1580 maybe, something like that. 6k gold per tap, but I mean like it's guaranteed, Tyra, so it's one time. What happens here is just you get more health. You just get more health. You don't really get like what's the name? You don't change your thing. If you have like a 9-7 stone, your 9-7 stone is not gone. Wait a minute. That means your legendary stone will be replaced anyway. Simple as that, basically. People don't lose their 10-7. Yeah, if they're already relic. If you have a 9-7 on legendary, well, you're kinda cut because you're gonna change into like a relic later. But I mean, like you can use it until this comes out, basically. So yeah. So if you have like a 7-7 stone right now, you're gonna change it later. Unfortunately. Sorry guys. Unlucky bro. But yeah, ability stone promotion function is tier 3. That's what I just said basically. Yeah, only HP and the basic effect of the will increase. So yeah. Keep in mind, even if you upgrade, the engraving effect on the ability stone will not change. That's the like 7-7 right there or something like that. Okay, when upgrading ability stone, you can upgrade total of 4. It's like the thing, the difference are here. Ability stone promotion material is used for the item level appropriate for the stage has been achieved. So yeah, this is the material right here. So yeah, we don't know the exact like drop for it, like when it is. I assume it's on Kayangel, but we'll find out, I guess. So yeah. So I knew this would happen anyway. But yeah, this is the one right here. This is the next one right here. So basically, this is your gear set. Your gear set right now, your relic gear set in Korea can be at level 2. Now you get another item to make it level 3. We don't know the effects, if it's gonna be like much better, or is it gonna be relatively marginal. But I guess we'll find out. So yeah, not that expensive, I guess. 1500 gold. I just don't know like how much of this. It's 10 per armor, so I guess the same 10 armor, 25 weapon, just like the clown materials. But we don't know how much we get as well. So yeah, set to level 3 right there. Upgrade set level, upgrade method is Contemplative Light, can be used from the Abyss Dungeon Kayangil. So how many do we get? So yeah, lastly, in addition, set level can be exchanged for various items. You can also exchange cool under rewards after completion achievement, so please try Abyss Dungeon Kayangil. Yep, Salvation Broken Time. No, Salvation will not be broken, Tyra, because Salvation is additional damage. It won't be as high as like Nightmare. If Salvation is broken, that Nightmare and Hallucination will be even worse. Will be even broken if that is the case. But instead of tier 4, yeah, they're not doing tier 4. They don't have plans for tier 4. So yeah, just like the Kani materials. That's I don't know what this wings is about, by the way. So this is like the wedding avatar, the one that Dream has, basically the wedding avatar. But I don't know what's wrong with the wings. So yeah. Is that like a new avatar item or what? We don't know. So yeah. String engraving capped at level 1. Level 1 is fine. So yeah. Still mid tier 3. This is still mid tier 3, yeah. Okay. And then like yes, there is Mokoko as well up here. Mokoko that I will never get basically. So yeah, there is Mokoko stuff on Elgasia as well. For some reason they fly up here. So yep. That's what it is right there. Okay, surprisingly, Mokoko Seeds is up there already, yeah, in Elgasia. So don't miss out on the Mokoko. Any Mokoko Seeds collector right here? Mokoko Seeds collector. For engraving, Grass Raid Captain Keen Blunt. I don't know, what's your class engraving? Okay, Flying Mokoko, yeah. We have there some items that will be updated along with the new content Elgasia. They are adventurers who explore the various countries of Arcasia. Hope the adventures of Elgasia will be particularly memorable, yeah. Last remaining song among the songs written by Brian Tyler will also be included in Elgasia. Brian Tyler is the original composer right here. When you know the Seagull song right there, the Seagull, you guys don't have it anymore because like your music is already changed into the Kadan one. But the Seagull one right there, that one is composed by Brian Tyler. So yeah, please look forward to great music as well. Moment is coming when the curiosity about Elgasia, which started with Paradise Gate, will be resolved. Not only Elgasia but also new avatar and various event will be updated. There we have it, boys, new avatar and various event. And that's what we're looking for. 12 books, if you have the gold, yeah, sure. But better rewards for Mokoko. If she was Nina's fan, it's yeah, fucking degenerate right here. So yeah, Wednesday, April 27th, and that's the community post. And that's the community post right there. The CM post, the CM post. So yeah, relatively detailed. Unlike NAU, I guess. But yeah. But that's like the Elgasia like post right there. So yeah. Is there a picture of the frog? The frog, Gargadas, probably. It's not like it's probably all the way up there in like a thing. They didn't mention anything about like the frog, I guess, right? Wait a minute. Let me check. Huh. I need to scroll up actually. What is an avatar? That's skins. Avatar is skins. I guess they didn't show it on like the 4th, I guess. So the roadmap does not actually like show anything on the thing. So we don't, yeah. Okay, so this is like the update right here. So 2022 on like April. We know this since like about like 4 months ago, but yeah. Found thank you for the prime sub, man. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it, man. But yeah, this is this one right here. This is Elgasia. This is Abyss Dungeon, Kayangel. This is test server. The first wave right here. Hell Cuckoo and Trial Kalalegos. Kalalegos Trial, they said they're gonna delay this one. But we get everything basically. So you know, 4 out of 5 we get it. So yeah. The frog is a new guardian. So yeah. Can you go over it again? You can go over this. Can I? Yeah, well, that's basically like the update for it. Elgasia update. And that's why I'm raising like my characters right now. So like 1580, 1560, 1520 and everything. I have like multiple characters that I need to actually run it. So we'll see. Alright, so we're back, boys. We're back.